Very good morning, students. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a teacher, Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Class 10th Mathematics chapter number 1 real number. We start exercise number 1.3 with the example number 9. In the case of example number 9, we have to prove root 3 is a irrational number. Students, this question is a totally theory based question. ठीक है, I will consider each and every step with the practical example. What is the demand of question? Example number 9, demand of question, prove that root 3 is a irrational number. Number basically divided into category. First one is a rational and second one is a irrational number. What is the mean of rational number? A number which can written in the form of p by q, known as rational number, where p and q both belongs to integers but q doesn't equal of 0. Student, number basically divided into category. First one is a rational and second one is a irrational. A number which cannot written in the form of p by q are known as irrational number. Irrational numbers just like 1.4, 142. ठीक है, रिपीटेशंस आर नॉट अलाउड, फिक्स पैटर्न इज नॉट अलाउड एंड टच टू इन्फिनिटी आर नंबर्स आर नोन एज इरेशनल नंबर जस्ट लाइक √2, √3, √5, √7 and pi and so on. So we getting the concept about the rational and irrational number. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, नाउ ठीक है, we have to prove root 3 is a irrational number. We know root 3 is a irrational number, but we have to prove root 3 is a irrational number. I hope student you getting the ठीक है concept of question. What is the demand of question? Now ठीक है, root 3 is a irrational number. In the solution, first step, ठीक है, we consider, let us consider root 3 is a rational number. We consider opposite of question, root 3 is a rational number. I hope ठीक है you getting my concept. We consider root 3 is a rational number and finally we required solution. Root 3 is a irrational number. Root 3 is a rational number. What is the mean of the rational number? ठीक है, rational number ठीक है write in the form of p by q such that let me consider a and b are two integer number. ठीक है, let us assume root 3 is a rational number. Root 3 is a rational number. Contrary, ठीक है, that we can find the integers a and b where b is not equal to 0. We taking two integers a and b such that a upon b will be equal of root 3. We can write a by b will be equal of root 3 because root 3 is a rational number. ठीक है, suppose a and b have the common factor 1. Each and every numbers has a common factor 1, just like 3 and 5. What is the factor of the 3? 3 into 1. And what is the factor of the 5? 5 into 1. That means 1 is a common factor. Suppose a and b have a common factor other than 1. That means another numbers has a common number but single common factor is a 1. Then we can divide by the common factor. Simple, in the simple language, a upon b equal to root 3 just because root 3 is a rational number. A and b both are the integers. A and b ठीक है, let us assume a and b both are the co-primes. What is the mean of the prime? ठीक है, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द प्राइम? टू टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स आर देयर, प्राइम एंड कंपोजिट नंबर। ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर एंड कंपोजिट नंबर। ठीक है, अ नंबर which can divide by one or self are known as the prime number. A number which can divide by one or self and also divide by the others number are known as the composite number. So isn't it? Firstly, we introduce root 3 is a rational number opposite to the given question. Root 3 is a rational number, so root 3 can be written in the form of the a upon b. Now, what is the mean of the a and b? Two types of the category a and b, both are the integer. Common factor is 1 and a and b both are the co-prime. ठीक है, now a by b will be equal of root 3 such that a by b equal to root 3 by 1 cross multiplication. ठीक है, b root 3 will be equal of a. Step number 3, ठीक है, b root 3 will be equal of a. Taking square in both side, b root 3 whole square equal to a square. Taking whole square, that means b square and root 3 whole square cancel out by the root equal to a square, such that 3b square equal to a square. I hope you getting the equation number first. 3b square equal to a square. 3b square equal to a square. What is the message by the 3b square equal to a square? 3b square equal to a square. This implies b square equal to a square by 3. That means therefore we can write a square is divisible by 3. a square is divisible by 3. According to the previous theorem number 1.3. What is the message of the theorem number 1.3? Just like 16, if 16 is divisible by 4, if 16 is divisible by 4, is 16 is divisible by 4 such that 16 also divisible by 2. ठीक है, therefore a square is divisible by 3 such that a is also divisible by 3. If square of any number is divisible by any number, that means number also divisible by those number. So if a square is divided by b such that a also divided by b, if a square is divided by 3 such that a also divided by 3. Now student, we getting 3b square equal to a square, 3b square equal to a square, a 3 इंटू से डिवाइड में जाएगा, बी स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल ऑफ ए स्क्वायर बाय 3 सच दैट वी कैन राइट ए स्क्वायर इज अ डिविजिबल बाय 3. ए स्क्वायर इज अ डिविजिबल बाय 3. बाय यूज ऑफ स्टेटमेंट 1/3 वी कैन राइट ए ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 3. ठीक है, नाउ सॉल्यूशन इज देयर, ए डिवाइड बाय 3. वी कैन राइट ए डिवाइड by 3. Now next step is there. ठीक है, let we consider a equal to 3c. What is the mean of the c? c is any integer. a equal to 3c. a equal to 3c. If just like 30, if 30 divide by 3, that means 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, every number. ठीक है, if 30 divide by 3 such that 30 also divide by 3c. if, ठीक है, let we consider. So student, firstly root 3 is a rational number. we consider root 3 is a rational number, so we can write root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b both are the integers, common factor will be equal of 1, and a and b are the example of the co-prime. Now taking cross multiply, b equal to root 3, taking square in both sides, 3b square equal to a square, 3b square equal to a square, such that b square equal to a square by 3. That means a square divide by 3 by use of the statement 1 pi and 3. ठीक है, a also divide by 3. Let we consider a equal to 3c. Let we consider a equal to 3c. So we know equation number first, 3b square equal to a square, putting the value of a 3c whole square, 3b square equal to 9c square, 3 cancel by 9 will be equal of 3c square. Equation number second. Now again b square equal to 3c square. What is the mean of this statement? 3 convert into divide form, such that b square also divide by 3. By use of the theorem number 1.3, we can write b also divide by 3. Firstly you told a also divide by 3, now you told b also divide by 3. That means 3 also a common factor. I hope you understand. b also a common factor, but already you told 1 also a common factor. That means how many common factors are there? 2 common factors are there. That is impossible under the condition of prime number. That is another wrong concept. So we taking root 3 is a irrational number. Firstly we introduce root 3 is a rational number, but approach is wrong. So finally we told root 3 is a irrational number. Student, question number first of exercise number 1.3 on the best same concept. Prove that root 5 is a irrational number. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेट बोर्ड और CBSE क्वेश्चन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जाम. प्रूव दैट रूट 5 इज अ इरेशनल नंबर. अगेन ठीक है, रूट 5 इज अ इरेशनल नंबर बेसिकली 2 टाइप्स, रेशनल एंड सेकेंड वन इज द इरेशनल. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द इरेशनल? 1.4123, that means touch to infinity but doesn't follow any pattern, are known as the irrational number. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and pi dash dash dash. That means root 5 is a irrational number. I hope you know root 5 is a irrational number. So we have to prove root 5 is a irrational number. Now we taking opposite to the question, opposite to the demand of question, root 5 is a rational number. What I told, root 5 is a rational number. Student, what is the mean of the rational number? A number which can write in the form of p by q. So let we consider two integers a and b. A and b are two integers which having common factor 1, and a and b both are co-prime. What is the mean of the co-prime? Co-primes, that means a type of the prime which have only the 2 factors 1 and itself. I told a and b are co-prime. Now a upon b equal to root 5. By cross multiplication we can write b root 5 equal to a. taking square in both side. B root 5 whole square equal to A square. B square root 5 whole square convert into the 5 equal to A square. 5 into B square equal to A square. I hope you getting equation number first. 5b square equal to a square. Students, focus on this statement. 5b square equal to 5b square equal to a square. That means b square equal to a square by 5, such that we can write a square divided by 5. But according to the statement of theorem 1.3, if any square of any number divided by any number such that a also divided by 5. According to the statement of theorem 1.3, ठीक है, if a square is divisible by 5, that a is also divisible by 5. We know, ठीक है, we getting the answer a is divisible by 5. Now we consider a equal to 5c. A equal to 5c. A equal to 5c. 5b square equal to a equal to 5c, that means 5c whole square. 5b square equal to 25c square. 5 cancel by 25, that means 5c square, such that b square divide by 5. b square is divisible by 5, but according to the statement of theorem 1.3, we can write b also divisible by 5. b also divisible by 5. By the statement number 1 and 2, we getting 5 is a common factor a part of 1. That means a and b having more than 2. A and b more than 2 common factors, such that a and b doesn't have co-prime, opposite of taking statement. So we can told root 5 is a irrational number. I hope student you getting the question number first of exercise number 1.3.